Sing to he who exists, all the earth. Sing to he who exists, a renewed song. Sing to he who exists, all the earth. Sing to he who exists, bless his name. Proclaim his salvation from day to day. Declare his glory among the nations, his wonders among all peoples. For great is he who exists, and greatly to be praised. He is to be feared above all gods. For all the gods of the peoples are idols, but it is he who exists, who made the heavens. Splendor and majesty are before him. Strength and beauty are in his sanctuary. Ascribe to he who exists, O families of the peoples. Ascribe to he who exists glory and strength. Ascribe to he who exists the glory due his name. Bring an offering and come into his courts. Bow down to he who exists in the magnificence of his holiness. Shake before him all the earth. Declare among the nations, he who exists reigns. Yea, the world is firmly established, it cannot be moved. He will judge the peoples with equity. Let the heavens be glad, and let the earth rejoice. Let the sea resound and all its fullness. Let the field exult and all that is in it. Then all the trees of the forest will give a ringing cry before he who exists. For he is coming to judge the earth. He will judge the world in righteousness, and the peoples in his faithfulness.